Fucking bullshit.
It lags out. Alright, let's go on some Nightmare and let's go.
Bullshit.
Come on, Brennan, we got this. Where do we spawn? In the bathroom? Alright.
Where are you?
Right
Okay.
here. Come on, Velma, let's go.
That was bullshit. I wish she wouldn't put her flashlight down when I go to run.
Oh, I hear tape.
Isn't that fucking buzzing?
Yeah. Isn't that a tape? Nope, it's a green dildo. It's a green dildo. It's a green dildo. Green dildo.
I wanna
Don't touch it. No, don't do it yet. No, don't do it. We gotta go to the circle TVs. Let's look at the computers. Oh, we gotta go to the computers.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh,
Oh, you
I'm at the green donut corner.
Okay. Don't look at it.
Don't
or
look
what?
at it. Just kind of look away.
No. I won't look at it.
No, stop looking at it.
Okay, I won't look at it no more.
Oh, kill him.
What the fuck is this? Oh, is that one room with the space?
No, it's the computer room.
I thought it was cafeteria.
Yeah, this is how you eat on computers. Is that how you eat in Canada?
Yeah. No, we eat. No, gotta. He's right there! No.
I don't know what just happened. Where's the exit?
Where did he go? Oh, it's right there. It's right
Why
there.
is there an alien with a freaking
Quick,
cross in its head?
quick.
Oh, it's a freaking navigation.
Oh, he's right there. Oh no.
I'm afraid to turn around. Follow me. Go.
I'm gonna turn around for you.
Go.
There's two ways. He's right there. Oh, fuck.
There's nothing behind us.
Bullshit. There was two. He was right fucking there.
Come on, keep going straight. Oh, another green dildo.
Oh, there's a dildo.
Oh, he's right there in the corner. Oh, he got me trapped on that one. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Go.
We can't leave. There's a tape in
Now
here.
the bitch is tired.
We can't leave. There's a tape in here.
You're fucking lagging your ass off. I can't hear you.
There's a tape in here. We can't leave. There was a tape in there, I'm pretty sure.
Fix your mic, it's all... Oh, he's right fucking there. Oh,
Alright, they get in this room again.
bitch,
Get in this room again then.
Where did you go?
In the room! Behind you, dumbass! Turn around!
No! He's behind me!
I'm behind you! Jeez!
He's over there!
He's sucking dick for cocaine, come on! Jeez! There's a tape recorder in here.
Now she's fucking tired again. God damn it!
I'm pretty sure there's a tape
I think
recording
this
in
girl's
here.
fat or something.
No, she's skinny on my screen. Oh, he's right behind you, Brennan. He's right behind you.
No.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Is he actually fucking behind me?
Yeah, I found another tape recording.
I wanna grab it.
Wait, hurry up!
Let me grab it.
Oh, he's right by the green
I wanna
dodo!
grab it. How do you grab it?
No, he got me!
I'm fucking. Oh, look, there's an exit. Okay. Oh my god. Where is he? Fuck.
It's just you.
Fuck. No. Oh,
I'm watching you.
Right
I'm
there.
watching you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
he's not there. Oh fuck, I'm so scared. Oh fuck. No. Okay. Push out. Get easy.
This is not going to get easier.
Push out.
No!
I gotta walk. Wait, can I walk past it?
Yeah, you can walk past it, just don't look at it.
Eaten. Okay. I want to look at it.
Don't. You gotta finish it for me.
Bitch, I just went in a fucking circle.
For no reason.
My flashlight's about to die.
You gotta finish it for me.
Okay, I'll try.
I already got one tape before I died.
Now she's
so you got 6 more to go.
I got 1, 2. Yeah. Fucking woohoo. Where's the fucking door? Okay, there's a door.
Man, there's a bunch of green dildos everywhere.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh no.
You're okay, brother.
Okay.
I'm right here.
I don't want to die!
You're not gonna die. Just go get the tapes.
I'm just gonna fucking eat.
That's if you let them.
Well, I mean, I haven't gotten my dick sucked.
Oh my god. There's another green dildo up ahead.
I can fucking hear a tape.
Green dildo right in the middle of the hall. Look to your left. Right, look to your right, sorry.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Okay. What the fuck is this?
This is, the main entrance I'm proceeding. United States. Exo Intelligence Bureau. Is that EIB? EIB?
Here's a library.
Yeah, you can read. There's a tape in here. I know there's a tape in here. You can hear it.
Fucking right there!
Oh, I thought you died. I just heard you scream. I was like, you kidding me? Did you really die?
Oh, the fucking dildo.
There's a tape in there though. I just heard it.
My mom's gonna get mad at me for. Oh no, well you scared the shit out of me.
I'm a ghost.
Oh my god, I saw you.
I'm a ghost.
Oh god.
I'm a ghost.
I hate you.
I'm haunting you now.
Okay.
Go back in there. There's a tape.
Okay, I'm gonna go back this way.
Come on, go.
But I don't wanna.
Stop being a loser.
Go check if he moved.
I can't see if he moved or not. I'm just spectating.
That's stupid.
I'll go see if I can find the tape.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh fuck, I got goosebumps again and chills.
Well, I found the tape. As soon as you go through the door, keep going straight this way. Right here's the tape.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Probably.
How many tapes do I
You
need?
need 5 more.
Oh god. You gonna be there? Okay, no. Oh fuck. You better not be there, you fucking bitch. God. If you're right there, I'm gonna fucking hit you. Yeah, there's a double hallway. Fuck.
One goes back to the spaceship and one doesn't. They both go back to the spaceship.
Oh no, you piece of shit! I hate you! Oh my god! I fucking hate you.
It's a ghost!
Stop me when you're coming up behind
I'm coming
me.
from the rear! You're going back to the spaceship, by the way.
That's okay.
Right here's where I died.
Okay, now I just need to get out of here.
Here's where I died.
Okay, the fucking dildo's right there.
I want to see if I can find the dead body.
Oh, he's right there! He's right there, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. The flashlight's about to die. The flashlight's about to fucking die. Oh, no. I don't want to play this anymore. I gotta complete it for you, no. Oh fuck. Oh, you fucking scared me again!
You're so easy.
I'm so on the edge, the littlest thing can scare the shit out of me. Oh my god.
Which hall? This way?
Mom's gonna yell at me for like screaming and shit.
Probably. It'll be funny though. You hear water. Do you hear it?
Oh. Oh, what
Oh,
the
a submarine. There's a tape in
I'm
here.
back in the computer room.
They're over here. Look, behind you. This way.
Where?
There's a tape in here.
Ron, I got a text message.
Really?
I'm just kidding.
There's a tape over here somewhere. I don't know which side it is. Oh, it's the other side.
There's a fucking bridge.
Yeah, you gotta go on the bridge.
Oh, you better not be in
You have to go on the bridge. You have to go the other way. Lovely
This way?
You gotta go on the bridge. You gotta get on this other. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, I see.
Over there.
Hey, I'm on it. Where's the fucking
It should be at the end. Oh, this thing, yeah. The thing right here.
Fuck.
I guess not.
Nothing. Oh, fuck! He's right there! He's right there! He's right there! I can't move!
Every time you scream, I'm thinking you're dead.
Oh, I don't like you. He's right there. Oh, no, he's fucking chasing me. Oh. I think he's gone. I think he's gone. Okay.
What is that? I found a tombstone. What the freak?
Tombstone perk from Zombie.
I don't know. He's just chilling here.
Oh, no. Fuck!
Oh, Brennen! 3 out of 8. I only lasted 4 minutes. I walked. How the hell did I walk more than you?
How good? I have 4 screams. How does it know when I scream?
Because you screamed. You went, ah, I'm a slut! I don't know.
I don't get it. Those exclamation marks when I scream.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at all mine. I have like none.
Yeah, I died somewhere.
Then you died.
There's me. And then you found one there. Oh no, you ran into him once. And you almost died.
Dude, I didn't even go on the other side of the map.
You stayed in that one little corner. It was your safe zone. You're gonna die over here in a second now. There you go. We split.
Then
and
I died.
We came back